All right, so before we jump into the recipe, I want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Newair. Now, Newair has sent me their Newair 7.0 compact chest freezer. So whether you're looking to stockpile all your meals or you just want to know that you're never going to run out of party snacks, this right chest freezer will help you stay prepared for anything the world throws at you. So let's go into some of the key features that this freezer has to offer. It has digital temperature controls that let you set your thermostat to your exact needs, so it puts you in control of your food preservation. It also has a fast freeze mode. Now you can reduce the time it takes to get your food stuffed to a safe storage temperature. So now you can keep your foods fresh for longer, no more large ice crystals, and no more freezer burn. It also comes with a door alarm for extra protection. So if you accidentally leave the door open, the alarm sounds to prevent accidental loss and helps you keep cold air where it belongs. And another key feature is that its compact design allows this freezer to fit anywhere while still providing ample room for extra food. It comes with a wire basket to keep things organized and an LED light to help you find things fast. So check the link in the video description below. Use the code ALLWINGS and receive 10% off. This could be a perfect addition to any home. What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another easy and delicious recipe. Now today, we're gonna go get out on that grill, you already know, and cook some wings. You already know I'm the Wayne King, AKA the Prince of Lemon Pepper. All right, the Prince of Lemon Pepper. Now, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make grilled spicy cumin wings. Guys, cumin is one of my favorite seasonings. Man, if you add cumin to meats, oh man, it takes it to a whole nother level. And watch what it do to these wings. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Let me tell you what we have. So we're gonna use some kosher salt, some vegetable oil, some sesame oil. You can use, I'm gonna use some dry white wine, or you can use some dry sherry if you want to, but I'm gonna choose this white wine because this is what I have in my place. I don't have any dry sherry. Also some ground cumin, of course, black pepper, rice vinegar, crushed red pepper flakes, soy sauce, some garlic cloves, and the star to show our wings. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I've already measured out the ingredients and cut and clean the chicken. Let me tell you what I have here. Right here, I have a half a cup of soy sauce. I have 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I have 1/4 of a cup of that dry white wine. I have 1.25 teaspoons of black pepper. I have 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I have 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin. I have 1 teaspoon of red hot chili flakes. I have 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and I have 4 garlic cloves minced here. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna combine our dry ingredients into a bowl and give it a good mix. So I just add my salt, no particular order, cumin, baking powder, and the pepper. And we're just gonna give this a good mix like this. All right, and this is what we have, guys. So let's go ahead and move on. So what we're gonna do is we're going to bring our chicken back into the shot. And what we're gonna do is we're just going to start sprinkling our chicken with this season mixture, and we're just gonna give it a good mix like this. Guys, I'm using about 1.5 pounds of chicken. So this is gonna be enough mix for 1.5 pounds to maybe 2 pounds of chicken. All right, and this is what we have. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover this. I'm gonna let it sit in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. You can leave it up in there up to 6 hours if you want, but I'm leaving it there about 1 hour. Let those ingredients get to know each other, talk to each other, and the ones who want to get married, let them get married. so we can make sure we bring out the best of the flavor of this. And I'm gonna go ahead and start preparing our grill so we can get these bad babies on the grill. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so what we're gonna do now is start preparing our sauce. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to add our garlic, minced garlic, and our chili flakes over a medium-high heat. And we're gonna cook them until it's fragrant, probably about a minute. And how did I forget to not add our vegetable oil? Remember, over medium-high heat. It's gonna take about 20 to 30 seconds. All right, so what we're gonna do now is start adding the rest of our ingredients, like our soy sauce first. Our sesame oil, our white wine or sherry if you have the sherry, and our rice vinegar. And we're going to bring this to a boil like that. And we're gonna drop the temperature down. And we're gonna let it cook for 10 minutes until the sauce thickens. All right, so we're 10 minutes in. Our sauce has thickened. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to sit this in a bowl and reserve it until later in the recipe. All right, and guys, take a look at that beautiful sauce. All right, let's move on. All right, guys, so right now what I'm doing is I am heating up the grill, got the charcoal going, burning right now. So I'm gonna let this probably burn for probably another 5 minutes, and then we're gonna get those wings on this grill. All right, I'll see you in 5 minutes. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start adding our chicken wings, and I'm gonna put these around the grill. I'm gonna do them skin side up. I don't want them directly over the fire. Don't want them to cook too fast. Man, this fire is hot. And shout out to Mike. Mike, I know you told me to get that Vortex, man, and I'm gonna get that. Matter of fact, it's on my computer screen right now to order it from Amazon. All right, and I'm gonna let these cook for I'm gonna let them cook undisturbed for about 20 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and check them. All right, guys, so we're here after 20 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is, they look like they are cooking pretty good. I'm going to flip them over, and I'm gonna move them toward the center of the fire since the fire has died down. See if we can go ahead and get them to start cooking just a little bit faster. All right, so I'm gonna let those continue to cook for another 20 minutes, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, let's take a look at it. Oh man, look at those wings right there. Uh-oh. All right, so I got about 5 to 7 more minutes, and then we're gonna come back and we're going to start basting these wings down with some of that spicy cumin sauce. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start brushing these bad babies with some of this spicy cumin sauce. These right here, you don't flip. You don't wanna put it in a bowl and do any shaky baking with these. What you wanna do is you just wanna lightly brush these with this sauce, just like this. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this cook for maybe about under a minute, and then I'm gonna flip them over, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, all right? All right, guys, so I have already flipped them over for the second time, and I've put some of that spicy garlic cumin on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and there you have it, guys. Grilled spicy cumin wings. Man, I'm telling you, this is a delicious recipe, guys. I love cumin. Cumin is one of my favorite seasonings. I'm telling you, when you add it to any type of meat, man, it really brings out the flavor. You're gonna love this, that cumin with that soy sauce, that sesame oil, the rice vinegar. Oh my goodness. It's just really a delicious, delicious flavor. So guys, check the video description below. I have the ingredients, the links to all the description, guys, so check it out. Also, thanks for supporting All Wings Everything, the merch, everybody hitting that applaud button. So let's go ahead and get into quality control. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so it's time for quality control. So let me go ahead and give you another look at these spicy cumin Grilled spicy cumin wings. Man, take a look at that. Man, this is just too delicious. And I love me some grilled wings. I'm glad I'm able to grill now. I mean, it was just killing me when I was down in Florida. I couldn't grill at my apartment. I had to buy those, had to buy an electric grill. Man, nothing like some charcoal. But man, let me go ahead and cut to the chase. Go ahead and, oh man. Not much to say about this guy. You see, I ain't waste no time. And I like that char. Look at that nice grill color. Some people may think it's burnt, but not I. I think it's cooked to perfection. And just tear it up. I wanted to bite into it. I'm just gonna tear. Oh man, look at that. Man, look how juicy that is. Oh man, look how juicy that is. Guys, these things are delicious. If you're a fan of cumin like I am, you're definitely gonna love this. Definitely gonna love it. I don't know what to say. Get another one of these drums before I let you go. And until then, can't even talk. And until then, guys, I'm your cook, Spinelli, all wings, everything. And I am out. Peace.